Hi, is this Asa?
Oh, this is Asa. Yeah. How can I help you?
Asa. Oh, Asa. My bad. My bad. Sorry, Asa. Asa, this is a cold call. Do you already hate me, or do you want to give me 20 seconds and then decide if it's worth it?
I like the opener. What you got?
Appreciate that. I mean, if I say we are local, probably going to think that it's one of those hateful calls, and I already just send me an email and get lost, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Thank you for being honest, but can I share with you why I believe it's a bit different?
Sure.
Okay. And that's why I'm reaching out. Would you be opposed to it? Would it be a bad idea for you to hop on our senior loan officer, who is also a vice president, to see if there's a vibe match for both of you guys and see if it's a potential business opportunity for both of us?
I mean,
From here.
what mortgage company are you calling from?
We are a local brokerage here. Have you heard of us before?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Yeah. So
I mean, is he live right now? Is this just a cold call and you're going to connect him and me to him later?
No, what I'm calling you for is to see if this makes sense for you, right? Because if it does, then what I can do is schedule a call for you guys where you guys can hop on like quick in and out to see if the vibe match is there. And then if it makes sense, then you guys can, moving forward, see if
I mean,
it's
listen, as a
chat.
courtesy to you, and not for any other reason, because I don't need another lender, but as a courtesy to you, because you've been so great. I mean this sincerely. He can call me, and if we can connect, great. Always good to have an extra lender.
Yeah.
And the sooner he calls me, the better. Let me put it that way.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yes.
I want you to have a face to the person behind this, because that's his intention at the end of the day. Would it be a bad idea for you guys to have a Zoom call instead, maybe tomorrow or maybe even Monday, when you don't have anything on your calendar? That way you guys can quickly hop on, see each other, and then that would be much better than just a phone conversation, right?
I don't think I can commit to that quite yet. I got a very busy schedule. I've got, 3 kids. But a phone call to start, just to get the energy. And truly, as a favor to you, I have really high-level good lenders that I work with. I
can do that.
I'm doing all right with that. But for you, I will have that phone call. I mean that, because you played the script right.
I'll do that then. Give me a time when he can give you a call.
No, of course, right? Like, he can call me on Monday.
Tuesday.
Yeah, tell him to give me a call on Monday. 11
Monday
o'clock.
noon, 11 o'clock. Okay. Monday, 11 a.m., right?
Yep. And he can call me whenever. It's fine. But again, the sooner the better, because I just don't want to forget about everything and how much I like you.
Yeah. I'll do this then. See, this is what I'll do. Asa, what I'll do is I'll anyway send you an email with his information beforehand. And I'll
do you have my email address?
Is it team.com?
Yep.
Yeah, I got it from Zillow.
So email me there.
Yeah, I'll email you, and also before the appointment on like 11 a.m., before he gives you a call, I'll just remind you what text, and also give you a phone call if possible, just so that you have it sorted out. Just you have the 10 minutes there.
Sure. Hey, again, this is really nice to meet you. Thank you for busting your butt to get all those things. Those objection handlers done well. I got to run on you right now. I'm actually at an open house, but truly great job, and have a good one, okay?
You too, Asa. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.